Legendary Beats.
अब सवाल उठता है कि क्या ये जो मेरी लाइफ में डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, मैं स्ट्रेस में रह रहा हूँ, मैं तनाव में रह रहा हूँ, मैं वो चीज़ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ जो करनी चाहिए और मेरी लाइफ पूरी तरह से टेक्नोलॉजी से डोमिनेट हो रही है, इज सिचुएशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? क्या वाकई टेक्नोलॉजी इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? वन बाय वन यू कैन गिव योर रिस्पॉन्सेस. So intellectually we all understand, I guess. Intellectually you would say that it is not technology who's disturbing us, right? So situation is not disturbing us. It is our view towards it. It is how we are handling it. It is disturbing us. You all agree with me? Right? Now this is an intellectual answer. Intellectually you know it. Intellectually you know it. But question comes, is life governed by intellect? Intellectually we know thousands of things. But when question comes of doing those things, implementing those things, we are not able to implement it. It means our life is not dominated or ruled or run by intellect. बुद्धि से जीवन नहीं चलता. बुद्धि के स्तर पर तो हम हर चीज जानते हैं. कंट्रोल कौन करता है? Somewhere our emotions.
Yes, sir.
So we understand that in our personality, one is my intellectual personality, second is my emotional personality. And when question comes of performing in my life, though I know everything which is good for me, intellectually I know everything which is good for me, intellectually I know that technology has got the advantages, technology has got the disadvantages. Intellectually I know that I should not have earphone all the time in my ears. Intellectually I know that I should not sit in front of laptop or computer for more than 2-3 hours continuously. Intellectually I know that it's not useful all the time to listen to loud music loudly. Intellectually I know there is no point of writing useless SMS on WhatsApp and on Facebook, filling your photographs and then writing useless status. Intellectually I know all these things. But question comes, am I able to do it?
No, sir.
Because me got to understand it that it's not intellect which rules me. Most of the people who are very intellectual, they are living life in the worst manner. They are living life in the worst manner. That means I understand this very crucial thing that I am dominated by my another personality called emotional personality. So if I want to lead this life in this competitive era, in this technological era, I have to understand my which personality mode? Emotional personality. And in understanding emotional personality, I got to understand that in my life, everything is governed by two forces. Everything is governed by two forces. One force is called pain, another force is called pleasure. One force is called pain, another force is called pleasure. I am made like this. I am made like this that anything which is painful for my mind, it's going to avoid it. Anything which is painful for my mind, it is going to avoid it, and anything which is pleasurable for mind, I'm going to have it. So sitting on the sofa 24 hours is a pleasurable thing. So I like sitting over there. Getting up early in the morning is a big pain for my mind, so I don't like to get up early in the morning. Working hard and studying a lot of books is a pain for my mind, so I want to avoid it. But going out, roaming with my friend is a pleasure. So I got to understand that my emotional personality, which is driving me and my whole life, is basically acting upon two forces. One is called and second is called. And mind is like this that it will always avoid anything which is and will always go for something which is. इसको थोड़ा और simplify करके बोलूँ तो जीवन में दो चीजें होती हैं हमारे लिए. There are two options always available in our life. One which is called श्रेष्ठ. One which is called and second which is called प्रिय. Second which is called हम किसका चुनाव करें और करना किसका चाहिए? Our mind will always go for something जो हमें प्रिय होता है, will not go for something जो हमारे लिए श्रेष्ठ होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो श्रेष्ठ होता है उसको पाने में क्या लगता है और जो प्रिय होता है उसको पाने में ज्यादा दर्द नहीं लगता. For example, you all come here with an idea of learning English and developing your personality. So So when you come here with an idea of learning your English and developing your personality, it is a painful process. How come it is a painful process? Because I say you talk in English, you write in English, you read English, try, you will be insulted, you will be embarrassed, fear it. But it is pain. So your mind doesn't want to take it. Somewhere you are compelled for 1.5 hours when you are sitting in the class, you are compelled. But the moment you come out of this room, that compulsion is out. And the moment that compulsion is out, what comes in Hindi? that enjoyment of speaking Hindi comes. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Huh? If I say that if you want to work on your personality, you got to read books, go and buy in the market a book called Communication Skill. It is going to help you a lot. In the morning you read Communication Skill for half an hour. In the evening you read Communication for half an hour. Before you go to bed, you read Communication Skill for half an hour. While reading Communication Skill, you are going to feel sleepy. You want to feel sleepy, and the moment you feel sleepy, it is painful. So you want to enjoy the pleasurable thing, which is called sleep. But if I say you go watch movie of Vidya Balan Gatti picture, it is pleasurable. You watch it. You will not feel sleepy. Ulta aapki aankhein double khulenge. Yes or no?
Yes.
So are you getting your personality picture? That if I have to live this life like a leader, if I have to live this life dynamically, if I have to lead this life with all things happening which are fantastic in my life, I have to understand my emotional personality.